In this video, I'll show you how to find Discord servers to join. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Open your browser. I'm currently using my iPhone, so I'm using the Safari browser. So I'm going to open it. So come on to this test. Type in Discord. Discord. So I'm going to type it in. So it's going to come out. So click on the Discord, the first option. So this is the official Discord site. So this is it. So make sure you do this because it's going to help you out well. So click on these three lines at the top. You're going to be able to see Discover. Click on Discover. So wait for it to load up. Discover your next favorite server. So if you look right, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of Discord servers. So there are like, I think, 48,365 servers here. So click on these categories. You can also come on here and select any one you want to select, depending on your niche. So if you're a gamer, or if you love entertainment, or if you want education, science and tech, or music, so select any of them. So you can just click on education. You're going to be able to come on here and see different Discord servers for education. So gaming as well. So all of them. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.